Door handles hide dangers. One shot done, and the whole family. Do you touch countless door handles every day? From elevator to your own door. Bacteria and viruses spread quietly. When you open the door, dangers may be brought into your home. Don't worry. There is a solution now.
BDD electrode superoxygen nano spray.
One spray to solve the problem. The usage is simple, at 15 to 20 centimeters, and spray 12 times. Nano-level adericals quickly wrap the door handle. It evaporates quickly, without watermarks. The door handle is instantly refreshed. The core black technology is ozone, can penetrate the bacterial cell wall. It kills bacteria in all directions. Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, influenza virus, with a sterilization rate of up to 99.9. Don't worry, if you have curious babies, touch the door handle and then face
BDD electrode superoxygen nano spray
to help you cut off the hand-mouth chain, to protect the health of children. And every time you open the door, you will feel not only warmth, but also the BDD ozone spray and the visible peace of mind.
BDD electrode superoxygen nano spray.
It's contactless, guarding every moment you touch the world.